Welcome to this session on back office operations. In this module, we're going to focus on a function that most people don't see. But without it, financial markets simply cannot work. When a trader executes a deal, that's not the end of the process. In fact, that's where the real work begins. The back office ensures that every trade is confirmed correctly, settled on time, recorded accurately, and reported as per regulations. Any mistake here, a wrong amount, wrong date, or wrong account can result in financial loss, settlement failure, or regulatory issues. In this session, we'll break back office operations into 4 simple areas. What the back office does, how trades move from execution to settlement, what controls protect the institution, and what risks the back office must manage daily. By the end of this session, you'll understand why the back office is the backbone of financial market operations and how strong processes here protect the entire organization. Let's start with the basics. Let's start with a basic question. What do we actually mean by the back office? In a financial institution, the back office is the team that supports all trading and transaction activities, but does not take market positions and does not deal with clients. Their job is simple to state, but critical to execute. Make sure every transaction is processed correctly, settled properly, and recorded accurately. When a trader executes a deal, the trade is not complete at that point. That deal still needs to be confirmed with a counterparty, settled on the value date, reflected in the books of accounts, and reported to management and regulators. This entire journey is handled by the back office. To understand this better, let's quickly distinguish between the front office, mid-office, and back office. The front office executes trades and interacts with customers. The mid-office monitors risk, limits, and compliance. And the back office ensures that all executed trades are correctly confirmed, settled, accounted for, and reported. All 3 functions work together, but the back office acts as the control and execution backbone of the trade life cycle. Even a small error at this stage, like a wrong value date or incorrect settlement instruction, can lead to settlement failure, financial loss, or regulatory penalties. That's why the back office plays such a critical role in ensuring safe, accurate, and efficient financial market operations. Now let's look at the core objectives of the back office. At a high level, the back office has one goal: to ensure that every trade is processed accurately, settled on time, and fully compliant. Let's break this down into key objectives. The first objective is accurate deal capture. Every trade executed by the front office must be correctly recorded in the back office system with complete details: amount, rate, value date, and counterparty. If the deal is captured incorrectly, everything that follows, confirmation, settlement, accounting, will also go wrong. The second objective is trade confirmation and matching. The back office generates trade confirmations, exchanges them with the counterparty, and ensures the details match on both sides. Any mismatch is treated as an exception and must be resolved immediately.